Hello, today we are going to work on this scrapbooking album. So we are going to insert the wallpaper or the digital paper in this silhouette. So let's start. Here we have the silhouette, the half head of Mickey, and we're working in Illustrator EPS file. So, and here we have the wallpaper. It's very easy. After this, you can send this to print cut, or you can print it and cut it with scissors. It's up to you. So let's start. You just click here and click here so to see that the paper is the size. So I think it's perfect now. You see? Perfect. Now what you have to do is to put the wallpaper in front of the Mickey. Then right click here and you go to arrange, send to back. That's perfect. Now it's gonna be there. Now you have to select both. Click, right click, and you have to use this one that says make clip mask or make clipping mask, and that's it. Then you have this one and you can send to print a cut. If you want to reflect, it's very easy. Just if you need, it's very easy. Okay, sorry, you just click here again and then it says you go to transformed, you reflect, okay, vertical 90 degrees and okay, and that's it. You reflect and you have buffed. So you can work this in the EPS file and also in the SVG file. This one, okay, let's do it with this. Let's do it again. Let's send to back and let's do it again, and that's it. Now what we are going to do now, for example, I'm going to reflect this again. Reflect, yeah, and for example you can print in color black, or you can use another material and put it there. You see? So you're going to have two colors now. You can use color black at the back, or you can use any color, and that's it. And then you can continue doing your scrapbooking album. I hope you like it.